Hello, welcome to Techno in the series of computer networks. As we are starting a full course on computer networks, but specified for GATE. But even if you are studying at any university like first or second year, and if you have a computer networks as a subject, then also you can watch this. It is made for the students or aimed for the students who are first studying in any of the for the curriculum of the university. Second, mainly focusing on the GATE exam, and third, for any UGC NEILIT exams also it is available. So this is just an introductory video that what we'll be covering in the entire course. So first of all the concepts will be taken. Concepts for each of the chapter-wise concepts will be taken, or in general concepts will be taken with given examples, so that you can also write in your written examinations if you have any. Then we'll see MCQs. So MCQs, multiple choice question and multiple select questions will be there. MCQs and MSQs. GATE exam. And UGC-NET. NEILIT. So other exams will be also there. And then some important topics we'll be discussing in brief with theory, so that you can write in your university exams. Okay, so every week one episode will be released for computer networks, wherein all the concepts will be taken. Then we'll take some MCQs and MSQs for various competitive exams, and then theory concepts will also be there, so as to you can write in your university examinations, university written examinations. So this will be the pattern of our computer networks. If you have any doubt or query, you can comment in the comment section below. If you have any suggestions or topics that you want to cover for this particular playlist, then also you can write down in the comment section below. So just stay tuned. Every week one episode will be released. So thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for entire playlist to our channel. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel, and press the bell button to get the latest video updates to our channel. Thank you.